ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Step into paradise at Mausen Telang Nongwar, your sustainable escape into nature's heart.
Ki Stamna Puli Jong Shillong Law College Hakalai Potru Uyayong Arajar Pusau Glimi Surok Ban Ajing Pinsha Shibat Ba Bat Kamtam E Shigiru Kynthei Bakin Tip Yaki An Gibayada Kerpang Yaki Kynthei Habakingat Hakinukinu Jing Shale Bamhok But Hakinukinu Kikam Bamman Bajuaja Nagasni Shakasni Kamtam Hakani Gajong Ka convener jong ka women cell ka Dr. Wanrishisha Dkhar klaket ho baling ba kani ka jing ajing Pyrshah lakmi linti bagi Kynthei kinmi chakmat ban ujor shigbo jong ka an ladakingat hagi jing sha thombor ha kalong rinyang hagi jakatre haba shakran kinchlen ha surok bat halinti singkien bat kiwe
Yasngap Yawan Bansaki Lingba kapor batna yang ni Entep yaka hak kejongpi Koslong kopat Natay nathi Singap Yawan Bansaki Lingba kapor batna yang ni Entep yaka hak kejongpi
is violence in public spaces that women face in day-to-day lives. The performance aims to highlight the need to increase reporting of harassment and abuse which goes unreported. The play further attempts to educate the audience on various forms of violence.
We want justice! We want justice! We want justice! Shisur shidur akim kan snap ay rumo Kynthei ki sharing dur aklam jingbet hano
You're so beautiful and so elegant, so I clicked your picture.
Don't you do that. I don't want you to take my picture.
What?
Why he is clicking your picture? How dare you? Don't you know that it is punishable by the law if you take my picture without my permission? I'll report this to the police.
I'm so very sorry, I did not know that.
We want justice! We want justice! We want justice! Baro hibi saki rentomet sentep badan jingma oh haka you can the threat
Hey beautiful.
How dare you?
Come on, let's go out with me. We will have some fun.
No way, I'm not interested.
Come on.
Stop it, get away from us.
Go, don't bother us.
Don't you know that eve teasing is punishable by the law?
What law?
I will file a complaint against you. I am well aware of my own rights.
Okay, so sorry.
We want justice! We want justice! We want justice! What hagi jagatray ki thay demo ki salemon yaki bam tip ay o baka yaki kadon hoi kiu hoi kiu ubas bas ngau hanga usdang leit bat le balan uhap mani kala kendo nong trai ki batip an hoi kiu hoi kiu.
Oh, darling, you've been working since morning. You should take some rest.
How dare you address me as darling?
What's the harm? You're working in my office. You're working for me. I can do whatever I want.
I'm not comfortable. Don't touch me.
I'm your boss. I can do whatever I want.
Don't you know you can't address a girl with colored remarks? Sexual violence in the workplace is an offense. I'll file a complaint against you.
I'm so sorry. I didn't know about that.
We won! We won! Banshu Patharuma, oh hapanda perkat arsian, namar kadon jingma, lada jingma lan hi penglien. Hoi kiu, hoi kiu. Uba shong shit, ya dorli thay uthat madai, khadu thred u kendit, mau lale ya kabem day.
Hey, did you see the picture of Lily?
Oh my God, it's so sad. I feel so bad for her.
If this goes viral, she'll be in a mess.
We have to do something about it.
Who posted the picture?
I think it's Joe.
What happened, guys? Hey, did you see your picture?
No, I had no idea.
Oh my God! I think we should call Joe.
Hello, Joe. Where are you? We need you right here. Come fast.
Hey, why did you post a picture?
Which picture?
This picture.
I didn't post it.
How dare you to post my picture without my consent? Are you in your sense?
I didn't do it.
You had no right to post my picture without my consent. You Pyrshah?
I'm so sorry. I wasn't aware it was punishable.
Baki dawa, hoi kiu, hoi kiu.
I want justice.
Justice? Justice for what?
I've been suffering for a very long time. My rights are being violated. I need protection.
I don't seem to understand. Are the rights of women even equal to men?
Are you even aware of the rights that are provided for women?
All laws are for women. All laws are for protection of women. You don't even know how many laws are there for the protection of women.
What are you saying? Is it a fact?
Yes, of course. We want justice.
Have you ever thought about us men? We don't have any special right to protect us.
Rights? Why do even men need protection? Why do they need protection? You're men.
Look at me. I have been abused and people take advantage of me. And I have faced domestic violence at home. Where do we go? And where do we go? Us men.
We won! We won! We won! Ngintip dayakan, nyalakan tay te bat simrang, kahok bayaring kat, day bakan te siliang. Hoi kiu!
Gender-neutral laws are the way forward. Equality has to be achieved among men and women. Violence is faced by everyone regardless of gender. The need of the day is to bring equality among all, and no innocent whatsoever be the gender be punished, and those who try to instill violence in any form should be taken to task.
We want justice. We want justice. We want justice. Wat chang te ha kan dong. Wat chang te ha kan dong ya jing shisha wat dom lerang. Banyo ka hok la jong. Banyo ka hok la jong let kan do kiri te ban. Hoy. 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 Tetep tiyakan nyala Kynthei te bat senrang kahok bayaring kad on dai ba Kynthei siliang hoy 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 we want justice we want justice we want justice we want justice we want
ni organize kini ka program namar ba ni celebrate ya ka diamond jubilee celebration jubilee ka sa September tingi semua pemba nga kembina from women cell tingi semua ba ni joy awareness program na puas support ti kapre ni wa ban ai awareness ba kibon mentam ni pet kedega sexual harassment in workplace nang tapos cybercrime kedon ti domestic violence ti kerja mah di imlang salang tu ti nak takadam ni students jeni dah kini ke awareness program bagi beriru kinyo ke information kita ke cintap ke bakham bnia tumno syai bikin let ti kalong ke ke badan kam kini ki pot kam social media haki ki spread ki videos nampak pictures di nak takadam ki haban ai ke awareness ya ki public kum haki ki ya ke surah no ki tik sikit ki ya ki surah kinyo ngi kita awareness dating kim tips i bikin net kim yo ay kataga jing champagne na ibig ke kan di ka kidon kita ki an ki banya daya ki di na women cell kataga daw ni organize kini awareness program kidon mo ki kep ni si legal awareness kidon ba kim tips i bikin file mo kita ki cases ki complaints ting ki so kumba ki clearan ting mo banwan sa kamat di hadin kanu ko banay show di snem ki wan ban approach mo ki authorities ki police magistrate mo di nakataka daw ki ka support niya ki bikin file sometimes ka ki report na ki ban file complete di nakataka daw long ka awareness ro ko ban kam ya ki kana amanta kam kana Kynthei berang samla kadno ki sha abuse mo ki rape cases di nakataka daw ki kumi ai kini ko awareness program ka ai la ki ba siya bikin le bikin num septien kan ki wan sakman namar ba kanang ba kini tela kam ni ki kam be Bymman kam be an nang ni sakmat bangin ai ki awareness nama ki students to men last month ki dan ai he po St. Anthony's College to spanga POCSO act nang tapade spangi mo ki cybercrime ki dan ai ke po St. Anthony's College to St. Mary's College St. Mary's School di ai every now and then ke di ta nang ni sakmat bangin ai ki NGOs ro usually ai hod ya kata ti hod ka say swap ha naman ba ting siya sunong kundong kamtap mo ida ai legal awareness ka ting ki sutu bakla ting ki ong ba ki the file FIR ki mo ki haban seal bisa kat no ki tik mo lang ka kamrem ti kamde kum tamo ti ni ai awareness program mo ki FIR ki bin nang tapade long ki pun ki arrest mo ni ai kita ki jingtip mo siya ki kanang bakin tip ba kumno ka procedure kaya ting kim tip ki belong ki basic information about law ngila ban ai basic information siya bikin let ada kerja kum kita ki kambam bean kibon mo long kum ki if teasing mo nam pinsa kam tip kam benya la de kini ki nakin ai ka street play ki if teasing then stalking nang tap de bikin ai kini ki kin comment ne bikin ong ki comment ki bam ki tien ki bachia ti kum choro ba kumno halinti silkin shwek shale mo cha thombor ti kibun mentah ki social media le kamtam social media ko kadi ke ba to kadi ke baharu but kadi ke basniu ka jo kapon ti nata ni haban ti kumno begin make use of that ti kidon ki cyber crime su baja te taki pon ki kambam man in Pyrshah Kynthei ki haban te pi